Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to make a snow globe. So the one thing you'll need is any sort of plastic or glass jar. You'll need some water, some glitter, and you'll also need something called vegetable glycerin. This is going to be really important so that when you are adding this in, the glitter won't all fall to the bottom. It'll look more like snow. So the first thing that I did is I glued a little figurine into the cap. You don't have to do that, that's up to you. Now I'm going to add some water into my jar. I'm going to make sure that when I'm adding the water, it's going to get filled all the way up to the top. Right where the rim kind of meets, the part where it gets screwed on. Next, I'm going to add some glycerin, making sure that this is already off. I'm not going to add a lot. I'm just going to add 1 or 2 drops. If I add too much, then all the glitter will stick to the bottom of the jar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I'm going to add some glitter. Because I want it to make it look like it's actual snow, I have some white glitter. I'm not going to add a lot. I'm just going to add a few drops into it. Next, I'm going to screw on the top of my lid. So I see that there's still some room up at the top. I don't want that, so I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. So there is no water, so the water is completely filled in the jar. So I'm going to put the top back on. I am going to add a little bit more glitter. Depending on how big your jar is going to depend on how much glitter you add. If you have a small baby food jar, you're not going to add a lot of glitter. If you have more of a mason jar, you're going to add a little bit more glitter. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I can actually see the glitter inside. So there's your snow globe. You can also make a therapy bottle, or you could just use a plastic bottle. I already filled it with a lot of water, but I'm going to add some more. And then again, I'm going to add some glycerin to it. Because there's more water in here, I'm adding a little bit more glycerin. I'm going to add some white glitter. But this time I think I'm also going to add some blue glitter to kind of make it fun for the new year. And now I'm just going to shake. So as you can see, you can see some of the glitter in there. You can always take off this plastic wrap so that you can see it all, and then you can just shake it. Have fun making a snow globe, boys and girls.